Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to prepare a delicious and easy recipe, that is mushroom capsicum masala curry. We have used a secret ingredient in this recipe and that makes this recipe more tastier. And if you would wish to guess the secret ingredient, I would request you to pause this video and guess the secret ingredient in the comment section. I hope you guessed it right. Now let's see how to prepare this and also let us see what is the secret ingredient. We will need mushroom 200 grams, 2 capsicum, 2.5 tablespoon of oil, 2.5 medium size of onions, ginger garlic paste 3/4 tablespoon, 2 green chilies, 3 medium sized tomatoes, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, and salt as per taste. I think by now you got to know the secret ingredient. Let's move forward. Keep a kadai over the stove, and once the kadai is heated, let's add some oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add some chopped onions. Once the onions are slightly fried, let's add some ginger garlic paste. Let us fry them until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Now let us go ahead and add slit green chilies. Let's fry this for a minute. Now I'm adding tomato puree. We will need to fry this tomato until it reduces in quantity. Once the tomatoes are completely fried, let's go ahead and add turmeric powder, garam masala, and our secret ingredient, chicken masala powder. You can use this chicken masala powder of any brand. Let's mix this masala and fry them for a minute or two in medium flame. Once the masalas are fried, let's add capsicum, and also mushrooms. Now let us gently mix the capsicum and the mushrooms with the masala. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. Once they are completely mixed, let's add some salt as per taste. Now let us go ahead and add around 2 cups of water. Mix them well. As you see, the mushrooms are floating in the masala water before they are cooked. Now let us go ahead and add some curry leaves. If you're preparing any type of gravy, try to add some curry leaves when the gravy is boiling, and that will give a different aroma altogether and will smell delicious. Now let's go ahead and close the kadai with the lid and let the mushroom and capsicum cook. This mushroom has taken around 15 minutes to cook, As you see, the mushrooms are cooked well and have shrinked in size. And also, if you observe, the mushrooms are not floating in the water. Now finally, let's add some chopped coriander leaves. As you see, our yummy, delicious and tasty mushroom capsicum masala curry is ready to be served with some hot rice or some chapatis. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. If you like my video or if you try this recipe, I request you to hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please drop them under the comment section. And also, please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.